Okay, so we will talk about the second one. As I said, so we were speaking about Project Sangam for skill development. So now we'll talk about setup internet connection, and I told you also that here the internet connection, the telecom regulatory authority of India, that is TRAI, made the 10th amendment to the TCPR. So TCPR means Telecom Consumers Protection Regulations, permitting the telecom companies to offer the data packs having maximum validity of 365 days. Okay, let's see the next one, reducing in license fee. So in January 2015, the government of India, recommended the reduction in license fee. So the license fee had to be reduced of the telecom operators from by 6%. Previously, they were charged by 8% of the adjusted gross revenue as per the license fee. Now, the issuance of several international and national long distance licenses has created opportunities and attracted new companies into the market because of this. Because as license fee reduces, the more profits are increased, so more companies have come from the market and they want to also join into the telecom industry. Now let's talk about some more next policy supports. Okay, so let me just delete this. Okay, so the next one is Make in India. Make in India. So everybody knows about this. Then Indian Mobile Congress. Then Enhanced Spectrum Limit. Okay, so we will talk one by one. First we will talk about Make in India. So in May 2017, the central government announced the phased manufacturing program, that is called as PMP, phased manufacturing program. Okay, now this was to promote the domestic production of mobile handsets. Okay, and the initiatives will help in building a robust indigenous mobile manufacturing ecosystem in India, and incentives are large here for large scale manufacturing also. Coming to the next one, Indian Mobile Congress. Okay, so in May 2017, the Ministry of Telecommunication launched the Indian Mobile Congress, that is also called as IMC 2017. Okay, and it is the first and the largest or the biggest platform in the country to bring all the stakeholders together from telecom, then internet and mobility ecosystem, along with the ICT players, app developers, innovators, startups. So all together they are having a joint congress meeting, and it's the largest, biggest platform, as I said. And this is a 3-day conference of IMC, will be held, or rather was held, on 27th September 2017. Okay. Now coming to the last initiative which the government has taken, and these are the policies which the government has done, and that is called as Enhanced Spectrum Limit. Okay, so the prescribed limit on spectrum would be increased. Okay, so this is also increased from 6.2 megahertz to 2 into 8 megahertz, which is a paired spectrum, and this is for GSM technology. So now everybody uses GSM. Previously there was also CDMA. Okay, and this will be in all areas, especially in Delhi and Mumbai. Okay, in all areas, but in Delhi and Mumbai it will not be there. Delhi and Mumbai. because in Delhi and Mumbai it will be increased to 2 into 10 megahertz. In other areas it will be 2 into 8, but in Delhi and Mumbai, since the telecom industry is much, people use more telecom in Delhi and Mumbai, and that is why the megahertz requirement is more. So the spectrum limit is much higher in Delhi and Mumbai. Now the telecom players can, however, opt in if they want. Suppose if they want in one particular area, they can obtain the additional frequency, and there will be also an auction, okay, of spectrum subject to the limits prescribed for the merger of licenses. Okay, so this enhanced spectrum is also a very, very important thing. Now let's talk about very important policy, that is the NTV policy 2012. Okay, so let me just delete this. Yes, so National Telecom Policy 2012. Okay, so this, what is this policy all about? The first thing, it is the broadband for all. So I'm using inverted commas. So everybody should have a broadband connection with a minimum download speed of 2 Mbps. Second, there must be unified licensing, delinking of spectrum from license, online, real-time submission and processing. Third, it also aims, so this is also there, it aims at one nation, one license. Okay, so there will be no roaming charges here. And nationwide, so all the nation, one number can be used. So nationwide number portability. So number will not change, but you can take a service provider as and when you require. Yes, what is the fourth point? Let me just delete this. Yes, we have to also see that the telecom services increase in the rural areas. So increase rural tele density from 39 to 70% by 2017 and 100% by 2020. Okay, and what is the fourth one, fifth one? Liberalization. Yes, so liberalization of spectrum and convergence of network services and also devices. Okay, so this was the NTP policies. Now, and they were very important, and these policies are still continuing. There is no next policy which has been introduced till now. Let's see the next thing about the telecom industry. So we will talk about is the mobile application market in India. Okay, so first we will talk about very important points. The mobile app market is estimated around US dollars 245.6 million in 2015. Second, Indians, okay, so Indians download a lot, so they downloaded over 6 billion apps, okay, in 2016, and up from, so it was basically less, now it has increased more. It was previously, it was less, from 3.5 billion in 2015. So you can imagine see the jump.